chemical reactions of aldehydes and ketones. In this video, we will study about the aldol condensation and cross-aldol condensation which takes place due to the alpha hydrogen, and Cannizzaro reaction and electrophilic substitution reaction. Aldol condensation takes place in those carbonyl compounds, that is ketones and aldehydes, which contains alpha hydrogen. When the aldehydes and ketones are treated with dilute sodium hydroxide, they undergoes aldol condensation. The term aldols means the compound contains alcoholic group as well as the carbonyl group. The reaction of aldol condensation can be written as when 2 moles of ethanol aldehyde, which contains the alpha hydrogen. The functional group is CHO, and the carbon to which the functional group is added is the alpha carbon, and the hydrogen to which the alpha carbon is added is called as alpha hydrogen. So ethanol has 3 अल्फा हाइड्रोजन. फंक्शनल ग्रुप से जो कार्बन जुड़ा होता है उसी को हम अल्फा कार्बन कहते हैं, और अल्फा कार्बन से जितने हाइड्रोजन जुड़े हैं उन सबको हम अल्फा हाइड्रोजन कहेंगे. सो इथेनॉल कंटेन्स अल्फा हाइड्रोजन. So the major condition of aldol condensation is that it must contain the alpha hydrogen. So the ethanol undergoes aldol, so it forms an addition product called aldol. The aldol contains hydroxyl group, that is the alcoholic functional group, as well as the aldehydic group. So ALD stand for aldehyde and OL stand for the suffix of alcohol. So this product is called as aldol. When it is heated, it reduces 1 mole of water and gives the aldol condensation product. The reaction can be cleared by writing it in the simplest form when 2 moles of acetaldehyde. The 2 moles of acetaldehyde can be written in this manner. First mole of aldehyde represent its oxygen, and the second mole of aldehyde represent its alpha hydrogen. When they are treated with dilute sodium hydroxide, the alpha hydrogen combines with oxygen. Because we know the carbonyl group is polar in nature, oxygen drags all its electrons towards itself and it becomes negative. So hydrogen will go to the oxygen and the remaining part will go to carbon, so that it can give an addition product, that is aldol. So it will become 3-hydroxybutanol. The aldol जो formed हुआ है, it will be heated. So upon heating, 1 mole of water molecules will be removed by Sarjeff rule. So on the removal of water molecules, it gives the aldol condensation product, that is but2enol. Same reaction can be written for propanone. Propanone undergoes aldol condensation to give ketol, which upon heating again gives the aldol condensation product. The reaction again can be explained by writing it in the simplest manner. We are taking 2 mole of propanone, so 1 mole of propanone can be written in this manner, which shows the structure of carbonyl group, and the second mole of acetone is written in this manner, in which the alpha hydrogen is represented separately. When they undergoes aldol condensation in the presence of dilute sodium hydroxide, the alpha hydrogen gets added to oxygen to form hydroxyl group, and the remaining part get added to the carbonyl carbon, to gives a ketol. Ketols undergoes hydrolysis, removes water molecules according to the Sarjeff rule. So hydroxyl group and the hydrogen of the neighboring carbon, which contains least number of hydrogen, removes 1 mole of water molecule to form the final product. Cross-aldol condensation. When the aldol condensation takes place between 2 different aldehydes or 2 different ketones or between one aldehyde and one ketone, the reaction is cross-aldol condensation. If both of the carbonyl compounds contains alpha hydrogen, then we receive 4 product. But if only one carbonyl compound have alpha hydrogen, it gives only 2 product. For example, when acetaldehyde undergoes cross-aldol condensation with propanaldehyde, we are taking 2 different aldehydes. So it gives 4 products because both of them contains alpha hydrogen. 2 products are formed by simple aldol condensation and 2 products are formed by cross-aldol condensation. So cross-aldol condensation between acetaldehyde, that is ethanol, and propanol gives 4 products. 2 products from self-aldol when ethanol undergoes aldol condensation with itself when propanol undergoes self-aldol condensation with itself. So 2 products are formed by simple aldol condensation and 2 products are formed by cross-aldol condensation. So just now we have studied about the aldol condensation of aldehyde, ethanol. So it will give the same product as we have studied in the previous manner. And the propanol will also undergoes the aldol condensation with itself to give first aldol and then the final product. The cross aldol condensation between aldehydes and acetaldehydes and propanol gives 2 different products in this manner. So this is cross aldol condensation. Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction takes place in those aldehydes which contains no alpha hydrogen, that is formaldehyde and benzaldehyde. So in this reaction, when the aldehyde is treated with concentrated alkali, concentrated base, so one of the molecules so formed will be the oxidized form and the other will be the reduced form. Like when formaldehyde is treated with concentrated alkali like potassium hydroxide, the formaldehyde gives its reduced form, that is alcohol, and it gives its oxidized form, that is the acid. Since the reaction takes place in the presence of base, so instead of acid, we will get the salt of acid. Similarly, benzaldehyde. When benzaldehyde undergoes Cannizzaro reaction, it gives the 2 products. One is the reduced form, that is alcohol, and the second will be the oxidized form, that is acid. And since we know the reaction takes place in the presence of a base, so instead of acid we will get the salt of acid.